Question 20. Solve algebraically the simultaneous equations x squared plus y squared equals 25, y minus 3x equals 13. So we've got here two equations which will have some solutions that satisfy both. Now just to remind you, x squared plus y squared equals 25 is the equation of a circle. Notice the radius is 5. Now you don't have to sketch this. In fact, it's told you to solve it algebraically, but it might just help you understand what's going on. Then if I draw the line y minus 3x equals 13, you can see there's going to be two solutions. The line crosses a circle here. There's going to be one set of points here and another set of points there. The easiest way to solve this is by substitution, which is a form of algebraic solution. So y minus 3x equals 13. I'm just going to rearrange for y. So it's y equals 13 plus 3x. And then I'm going to substitute that value of y into the equation of a circle. So rather than x squared plus y squared equals 25, I'm going to have x squared plus 13 plus 3x all squared equals 25. And now I've got an equation where I just have x's. And I've picked up my first mark. I'm going to need to expand 13 plus 3x. I'm just going to do it over here. So 13 plus 3x, 13 plus 3x, 13 times 13 is 169, 3 13s are 39, plus another 39x, plus 9x squared. I'll just tidy that up and write it in the way we normally write it. So I've got 9x squared, 39 plus 39 is 78, plus 169. So now I've got x squared plus 9x squared plus 78x plus 169 equals 25. And I have my second mark. So I've got to try and solve this now. So x squared plus 9x squared is 10x squared. When I'm solving a quadratic, I need it set equal to 0. So 169 minus 25 is 144. Once I've simplified and formed this equation, I have 3 marks. Now to make this a little easier to work with, I'm just going to divide everything by 2. So 10x squared divided by 2 is 5x. Half of 78 is 39. Half of 144 is 72, and half of 0 is 0. This gives me fewer options for how to factorize it. For example, when it was 10x squared, I could have used 10x and 1x at the start of the bracket, or 5x and 2x. Now, if this does factorize, and if it doesn't, I'll have to go on to using the formula. It's going to have to start 5x and x, because that's the only way I can get 5x squared. 72, numbers that multiply to 72, what's going to be 72 and 1. 36 times 2, 24 times 3, 4 times 18, 5 won't go into it, 6 will, 12 times, 7 won't go into it, 8 will, 9 times, and then 9 times 8. So they're the only numbers that multiply to 72. And I've just got to see which one of those will fit in here. That will give me an addition sum of 39. So it's not going to be 72 and 1. 36 and 2, well, if I put the 36 here and the 2 in this, the 2 in this bracket and the 36 here, I'll get 46, so it's not that one. 24 and 3, so if I put the 3 here, 5 3s will be 15, plus the 24 will be 39. So I've factorised it as this one. And now I have my fourth mark. So to get my fifth mark, I need to solve the equation. So two numbers multiplied together equals 0. So 5x plus 24 will equal 0. And x plus 3 will equal 0. If I solve this equation first, x equals minus 3. 5x equals minus 24. Minus 24 divided by 5 is minus 4 and 4/5. So I have my two x values. And even though you shouldn't waste time drawing it in the exam, you can see they're about right. X is 3, look, up here, and x is minus 4 and 4/5, just before 5. But we need to get the y values. So when x is minus 3, I'm going to substitute that into my linear equation. So just down here, y minus 3x equals 13. X is minus 3, so I've got y minus 3 times minus 3 will be plus 9. So y plus 9 is 13. Y will have to be 4. So if x is minus 3, y is 4. There's one solution, and you have to write them together. The other one, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to rub out these there, so I need a little bit more room. So again, y minus 3x equals 13, and this time I'm going to substitute minus 4 and 4/5 in. So I've got minus 3 times minus 4 and 4/5. I'm just going to work this sum out over here. So minus 3 times minus 4 and 4/5. So I've got minus 3 over 1. Any whole numbers over 1. 4 5s are 20. And 4 makes 24. So I've got 24 over 5. 3 24s, 20, 40, 60, 64, 68, 72 over 5. Should be negative there. I've got negative, take it negative multiplied by a negative, which is a positive. 72 over 5 is going to be 14 and 2/5. 5 10s are 50, 5 4s are 20. Yep, so that's 14 and 2/5. So y minus 14 and 2/5 equals 13. So that would be plus 14 and 2/5, won't it? It's a positive answer. Take it from both sides. So y will be 13, take 14 and 2/5 will be minus 1 and 2/5. So when x is minus 4 and 2/5, y is minus 1 and 2/5. And what this question is also assessing at the end is your knowledge of fractions and being able to multiply fractions. And I have my fifth mark.